outlet. If the current gets too high in that computer, you're going to fry it. You just ruined a couple $100 machine. So you have that surge protector as a line of defense to cut down and make sure you don't get too much current going through your computer at some point.
I thought it was in case the power like quickly goes out, so your computer.
Well, usually when the power quickly goes out, it's because there's too much current.
Yeah, but like, so I thought it was to make sure the computer doesn't turn off.
Little bunny and a little chicken.
What?
Computer's on.
Yeah.
I don't know what to say.
Well, I mean, it happens.
Oh yeah, they're like
Well, that's what you see.
look at your nails, look at the nails. Oh yeah, girls' nails. Oh yeah, look at
Okay, here's the thing. What do they accomplish out of that?
No, he said they didn't invite him to his graduation party.
The what?
He said that he didn't invite him to his graduation
I
party.
didn't invite a lot of people. Mainly because I got to invite people, and I'm like, who do I invite? I invited
Because he's like,
You
we hung
see
out
other
and we had like
people.
a shit good time. You know, he just talked to me.
just talk about stuff.
What?
That's all we ever do when we hang out, just talk about stuff. Like, stuff.
Look how cool it looks.
Activation.
Oh yeah, look how
Yes, there are
many
some
else.
people
Yeah.
No, you don't say anything.
Oh yeah.
Just
Oh
walk
yeah.
away from that situation.
They deserve for us to.
That's justice. That's not me.
They decided.
That's not justice.
They decided to be kind. They
You guys know the guy in Cleveland that had those 3 women?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Cubans.
Their attorney made some comments on how. Super awesome.
How do you
Nighttime.
Guys! What's the story? This guy is currently in prison right now, and his attorney made comment on how he's in a cramped room and he's uncomfortable and blah blah blah, and this guy kept 3 women locked up for 10 years, and I don't think he has the right to complain.
Oh yeah.
No, like you go and
They're really worried they're not going to be able to find a fair trial anywhere, and they're not. But I'm pretty sure the evidence is heavily against these.
you go and say it.
They
Yeah.
haven't done
Yep, good enough.
You go and say it with that. There's not question.
No, look, nothing like you put out a beard and everything.
You put it in a mental
I thought they were just there for the party. Like they were trained up.
Oh my gosh, you just totally creamed me.
That sounds really cool. Don't say that again.
It is humble.
I get it. It's like you age
It's like this. So here, this is my girl out here. You know, out here. We're like, what's that? Like, out there. He's like, yeah, she's my girl, but she got a message to make. He's like, that's gross. Yeah, he's like, yeah, I was out here, you know, I got my McDonald's and I was sitting on my porch and I see this shot girl.
Let me see it. Let me see it. Let me see your hand. I don't care what the fuck. Let me see it.
You need an ambulance?